Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create kinetic typography in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Align the text from the Essential Graphics panel. Next, duplicate the text layer to make 3 individual text layers onto the timeline. From the Effects panel, find Offset and drag it onto the upper text layer. Then, from the Effect controls, move the timeline forward a few keyframes and click the stopwatch icon next to Shift Center 2. Move the timeline forward a few keyframes and adjust the position of the text to be above the original text layer. Next, create the animation for the text to come back down. Move the timeline forward more than just a few frames and create a keyframe for the text. Now, move text frames forward a few times and position the text at its original spot. In addition, you can create more seamless movement by right-clicking the keyframe and using Ease in, Ease out from the temporal interpolation settings. After the animation is done, head over to the Effects panel, search for the Echo effect, and add it to your upper text layer. From the Effect Controls panel, find the Echo setting. Change the echo time to 0,008, the number of echoes from 1 to 7, and decay from 1 to 0, 8. Now we can preview the animation. Next, copy the upper layer to the text layer below to apply all the effects. Now that all the effects have been applied, we should only change the position of the animated text from above to below by using the offset settings from the Effects control panel. Change the already made positions of the keyframes to make 3 different text layers visible in the animation. Once that is done, the last thing for us to do is make the text adjustments of the Essential Graphics panel to each of the text layers. I like using strokes for each text and removing the filling on the layers above and below. Now you know how to create kinetic typography in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you found this video helpful.